Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Google Sheet tutorial how to delete empty rows. So for example, I will create border and then you can type in it in these columns and rows like this. Now, if you want to delete this number 7 empty row, you can select the row, right click, and then you can choose the delete rows. So to be delete the rows. If you want to delete only selecting cells like in this point, you can right click. Now you can here, you can show delete cells, shift left or shift up. So I will use this option. It will be automatically delete cell and then move to up the below cells. You can undo. And if you want to only delete the empty rows, you can select the rows, right click, and then you can choose the delete row tools. Okay, that's it for a basic Google Sheet tutorial how to delete empty rows. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.